Wala akong pakialam kung nagtatanim ka ng galit sa akin. Kahit mag-garden ka pa.
Anong pangalan mo?
Annalyn po.
Ikaw?
Honey po.
Ikaw?
Jebs.
Anong bunga ang hindi nakakain?
Anong bunga ang hindi nakakain?
Nag-uumpisa sa letter B.
Betlog. 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 Ay, betlog.
Wala ba kayong pera? Ako rin.
Pabili.
Ano yun?
Paminta nga po.
Anong paminta?
Yung wasak.
Anong wasak?
Sabi ni mama,
Anong wasak?
ay durog pala. She's just a girl and she's on fire. Higher than a fantasy. Lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Feel like catastrophe, but you know she can fly away. Whoa. She got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh. She got her head in the clouds, but she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. Everybody says that she goes by. You can see the pain that's in her eyes. But she lets you fight up and down.
Oh, bakit di mo pa kinakain yung pagkain mo?
Wala kasi akong gana eh.
Kumain ka, kahit 2 kutsara lang.
Di ko nga malunok yung pansit kutsara pa kaya.
Ba?